Welcome students to the Aisho Convent School online classes. Today we are going to study chapter number 2, computer working with database. Now, what is a database? Database is a collection that allows you to store data, organize it, retrieve it any way you want. Okay. Under this one, we will study different data types and their uses. First one, text. Data types. What are the data types? Just we will study: text, number, memo, date time, currency, auto number, yes or no, OLE object. OLE, what is the name here? OLE. OLE means object linking and embedded. Hyperlink, lookup, wizard. Okay. So first we will study with the text. So it is used to store non-numeric data. It is used to store non-numeric data which do not need calculations. In this one we do not need a calculation. Number, it is used to store numeric data that can be calculated. Memo, it is used to store text and numbers. We can say memo is used to store text and numbers. Date and time, used to put date and time. Currency, self-explanatory. Okay, whatever currency is there, countries, we can decide it and just we can put it. Auto number, it is used to identify records automatically. Okay, yes, no, logical value, true or false. OLE object, it links object made in one other programs. Hyperlink, it creates data and text to appear address. Lookup wizard, looks up another data from another table. So these are the some data types which are used in database terminology. Okay. Format of a number. The numbers that can be formatted in different styles which is suitable to your data. Okay. The number field can be formatted in the following state. First, general, fixed, percentage and decimal places. General, when this attribute is chosen, the number are displayed as they are entered. Okay. Fixed, it is displayed with 2 decimal places. The number has no digit after decimal, then 2 zeros are added with the number after decimal. So we can use it as a fixed. Percentage, in this one the number is multiplied by 100 and by percentage sign. Decimal places, the range of decimal places is valid between 0 and 15. So we can use this format of a number: general, fixed, percentage and decimal number. Records and fields, very important topic. Okay, because in Access the extension is .mdb and Microsoft we are using extension .doc. Before creating and working with database, we are using database in which we are using data. Okay, data means information. Okay, database is a collection of related data organized in a table. So database is what? It is a collection of related data organized in tables. Tables consist of records and fields. A record is a row in the table that contains information such as name, address, phone number. So this record, what is a record? Record is a table in which the name, address and phone numbers should be there. A field is a column that contains categories of information. It consists of informations like serial number, name and phone numbers are fields. Each record in the table consists of information about a person. So just we can say name Shiv, Monu and their phone numbers are there. So these are known as field and these are known as records. Okay. Now, after this creating a blank data, we can create a blank database by the following method. First of all, open a Microsoft Office Access. Okay, you can see this window. We can see Microsoft Access window will appear. Click on blank. Just you can see here, click on blank database option with new database, blank database. Now click on browser folder at the right side. Just we can see at the right side. Click on browser folder at the right side of the pane. New database window will open. Like that, just a window will open. Here just you can say database. Here just you have to click it, create. Okay, select the drive where you want to create your new database. Click on new folder option on the command bar. Just here, new folder, and then click OK. To open the folder, double click on it. enter the file name in file name option and then click on OK. Just you can see this type of window and just click it on OK. Now click on create button. Getting start with Windows open. Access page. As a result, new dialog box will open and your windows for the database will appear on the screen. Like that, a window screen will open. Okay, so how to create a blank database? Just you have to follow certain steps there. Okay, I hope that you have understand how to create a blank database. We will study in the next video.